Understanding optical zoom. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of photography and learn about optical zoom. Whether you're a budding photographer or just curious about how cameras work, understanding optical zoom is key. So, let's zoom in on this topic. Optical zoom refers to the ability of a camera to magnify an image using the actual lens. Unlike digital zoom, which simply enlarges the pixels, optical zoom adjusts the lens to bring the subject closer, keeping the image's quality intact. This is crucial for capturing distant objects with clarity. Optical zoom involves the movement of lens elements inside the camera. When you adjust the zoom, these elements shift to change the focal length, allowing the camera to zoom in or out on a subject. It's like using a telescope. The lens adjusts to bring distant objects into clear view. One major benefit of optical zoom is the preservation of image quality. As it uses the lens to zoom, the integrity of the photograph remains high, without pixelation. This is especially important for professional photography or when you want to capture details from a distance. It's important to distinguish between optical and digital zoom. Digital zoom enlarges the image digitally, often leading to a loss in quality. Optical zoom, on the other hand, maintains the high resolution of the image, making it a preferred choice for quality photography. And that's a wrap on optical zoom. Understanding this concept can greatly enhance your photography skills and knowledge. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject. Happy zooming, and see you in the next video.